Good morning. My poster is titled Transforming Community Colleges into SDG Innovation Hubs. Globally, the Sustainability Development Goals, especially SDG 4, highlight the role of education in sustainability. In Malaysia, institutions like College Community Malaysia play a key role in Tibet and lifelong learning. However, their potential to act as drivers of sustainable community development remains underutilized. So let me see the problem and the aim of this study. Currently, TVET practices are largely skilled focused without systematic SDG integration, which is this leads to limited sustainability impact, weak community engagement, misalignment with SDG goals. Therefore, this studies proposes a community college SDG innovation hub model integrating sustainability, employability, and community engagement. Now, the conceptual framework. This is the core of my proposal, the CCSDG Hub framework. It follows as a simple structure. First, input, policy support from the Ministry of Higher Education Malaysia, institutional resources and community needs. Then, process SDG integrated curriculum, project based learning, industries collaboration, and digital platforms. Then, the output skilled graduates, sustainability projects, and micro enterprises, which these three it leads to impact direct contribution to SDG 4, SDG 8, and SDG 11. So, overall, this model connects education, economy, and community sustainability in one system. Now, the methodology. This study adopts a design based research approach, DBR, involving need analysis, model development, pilot implementation, evaluation through surveys and interviews. The innovation is grounded in risk research, including transformational leadership in Tibet, entrepreneurship for SDGs, AI integration in learning, green skill development. And for sure, this ensures the model is evidence based, not theoretical. Now, the outcomes and of course, lifelong learning. The expected outcomes include improved employability, stronger community engagement, integration of sustainability into TVET, and most importantly, the model supports lifelong learning by expanding access for B40 and adult learners, promoting continuous upskilling, proposing community colleges as learning ecosystem. In conclusion, this proposal repositioned community colleges from training center to SDG innovation hubs. It provides a scalable and practical pathway to align education with sustainable development in Malaysia. Thank you. I welcome